So, if you're a lover of TikTok, you might have seen the video. Well, we want the whole story. Richie sat down with them in the middle of Ochi to get all the info.
Yeah, look at me so far. You see something you like? Stop following me up.
She's a teaser, pretty Barbie girl, me need ya. Me nah fi ask if either. Girl, me love it when you bubble harder.
Intense outside right now, the one and only Jordashe. Yo, the man go viral on a TikTok. What do you? General, I pre man.
I pre, bro.
Yo, love work. You're not white girl, like white chick there. Sammy who?
Sammy Wami.
Bro, attack right now, start out now. How the career start off, you know?
Yeah, man, you know, say from a tender age, because I come from another base, St. Mary. Me inspired by Ninja Man, which are actually a neighbor. You see me? Josie Wheels and them thing there. Knowing that Berryson man literally come from right side of me same way. So, music in the community and it just, you know what I mean, inspire me.
At what age you decide, say, yo, watch you know? Music is my thing, and this, I'm best night right now.
You know, say I'm probably at about 17, so. Yeah. Because, me I say, well on, you know, say, not to like, kill myself on the 95 them. I say, me have to go bust on some music and can help some friend.
You can remember the first song you write at the age?
Alright, let me see. Yeah, me, to be honest, something probably silly, you know, I mean, I say rice, gravy. Chicken and rice and gravy. But me say, with bad lyrics at the time. I don't remember it, to be honest. But, you know what I mean, because I sing, Jay.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And when I flow, if me give you a piece right, I say.
Right now you talk to me, me look at British accent. What go on? What go on,
yeah,
sir?
Now you go on. Alright, I do tour in the UK, you know. You see me? UK, me tour. And I make a lot of friends, and sometimes they understand me properly.
As a Jamaican, I will go with you something.
Yeah. But you go, me still know, you hear it? Me surprised because I not hear it.
Currently right now, what are you working with right now?
You know, say, me I work with Mad Boss production though.
Yeah, how's that going?
You see me? It go on good, man, because you to push out the thing and
so can you look for some new work right now from your Mad Boss?
Definitely, man, definitely. Mad Boss, big up yourself.
Said speed.
Yeah, man.
So collaboration, any artists you collaborate with already?
Collaboration, no big name artist still, you see me?
You can just name
UK
them,
artist, man, Curly.
Apart from Sammy Wami.
Yeah, apart from Sammy Wami. Yeah, man, Curly. I got something with Madsmatic. Mads the dads. Him all depend the social media go and go to, you see me?
Said sweet.
But I mean, if you, I met big up a man, yo, Jordashe, big up yourself, I water. I youth when me long me they all there before them, you see me? Like, I get a little hype before them. And I say, me show you what go on. So I'm virgin in the music long time. Yeah, man, I say, man. See him with man. If you go Grand Spain, you see me name, big on the wall. Big up yourself, Mad Boss again. I'm
say the one that all over Jamaica then, man?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me I tell you, all big up L.A. Lewis. He always a push me thing. Back in yeah, man, he there my foot, there my yard, everything. 7 star there. Him there my house every day, man. I say, yo, Jordashe, she thinks God road in a ray.
Said speed.
Big up, me have to respect him, man.
So talk to him about the song we actually are running right now.
Yeah, man, so it's a song, but basically it's just a freestyle song actually, you know.
Yeah.
And the freestyle go viral because me go on the social media, public freestyle, and the white girl there, and boss grab the white girl and say, yo, sing a song to her now.
Make no habit, me not easy, so me too hard for you manage.
She's a teaser, pretty Barbie girl, me need ya.
The freestyle now, what come about?
Well, me did just Mandeville and some youth start freestyle from them video, and so one of them called me and forced me to come in our video. And Jordashe did a theme freestyle and him did talk some things about and Missy in her. So when them I go come now with if me I go respond, but to me never artist, I never really know what to say, but them kind of put me upon the spot, so I couldn't really not say nothing, so I have to just get them like a piece.
And Jamaica, why you work on a piece I give them now?
Well, if I'm not done, not say it already, then it goes something like, you think you can handle me? Something there.
Okay, Angler, so Sammy, right now the song that go on good, the teaser. So what the plans you and Jordashe right now? Now move forward?
Well, we can just see how things go through. We meet about 3 weeks ago now, we just meet. One time we did do the freestyle, so we're par and we just see how things are going to work out.
So you go to the flow. Funny story, Jordashe.
Yeah, man.
What a meet and greet and Sammy want me just find this. It's a music flow, bro?
Music is no easy thing, man. Music is life and yeah, man, unpredictable.
So what next move now you and Sammy?
You know, say next move, you know, I want to look out for the music video because I feel like the people them want to hear more. So that I go on.
Give us time on day we can check that out, man.
Yeah, man, I say, man. Collaboration I go up, man. You see me? She's an artist, so she said, but you don't know, it's a good vibes. So we're going to do that. And me have more music and I making, me have music released on the social media. You know what I mean? So Check it out, you know, Jordashe, I am Jordashe.
And last and final, Jordashe. Why is Jordashe and Sammy Wami so intense?
We intense every time, you know, we bring heat.
Represent for yard.
Yeah, man, and yard we say nothing no better than yard.
See it there?
I hate, man.
The man of the moment right now, check him out. Sammy Wami, Jordashe, tag team couple.